Hi friends, in this video I am going to charge iPhone with different power adapters. So first I am going to charge this iPhone with this Realme Power Adapter. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First let me check the original Apple adapter. This is the original Apple adapter. See, this adapter says it support different output. You can see output 5 volt 2.4 amp, 5 volt 3 ampere, then 9 volt 2.2 ampere. See, this is a Realme power adapter. So this adapter also support, you can see it gives, see, 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere. So that means we can charge iPhone with this adapter. Let me try. See, I have connected this power adapter to iPhone using this type C USB cable. You can see this iPhone is already 90% charged. So let me power on. You can see the charging animation. It says it's charging. See, it's charging. So this means we can charge this iPhone with this Realme power adapter. So let me power off. See, now it's not charging. Okay, so try to use original Apple adapter. If you don't have original Apple adapter, you can use this Realme charger. First check the output voltage and current. If that matches, then you can use it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.